You can use the commands in the Editing group on the Home tab in the ribbon to execute several commands that can assist you in editing Word documents. You can use the functions in this section to quickly find and replace document content. This can be extremely useful for quickly revising standard documents that need minor, repetitive changes to the text. To perform a basic search for text in your document, click the Find button. This will open up the navigation pane at the left side of the document window and display the Search Document search box at the top of the window. You can then type the word or phrase for which you want to search for within your document into the search box. Word automatically will find and highlight the text that you enter within the document and also display the matching result locations within the results pane below the search box. You can click on any results shown in the pane to jump to that selected section within the document. When you are finished, you can click the small X button at the right end of the search box to clear your search results. You can also search for text within your document and then replace the text with another text entry of your choosing. To do this, click the Replace button within the Editing group on the Home tab. Doing this will open the Find and Replace dialog box and display the Replace tab. This tab allows you to replace the text that you find with other text that you enter. To use this feature, enter the text that you want to find into the Find What text box. Then enter the text that you want to replace the found text with into the Replace With text box. You can then click the Find Next button to move to the next occurrence of the text found within the document. The text will be selected. To then replace it with the text you entered, click the Replace button. You can then continue to the Find Next button and then the Replace button to move through the document replacing the text. You could also simply click the Replace All button to replace all instances of the found text with the replacement text that you entered through the document all at once. If you would like to perform an advanced find of information within your document, note that you can also click the Find tab within the Find and Replace dialog box. You could also access this tab by clicking the drop-down arrow that appears to the right of the Find button in the Editing group on the Home tab, and then selecting the Advanced Find command from the button's drop-down menu. On this tab, you can enter the text for which you would like to search into the Find What text box. You can also then click the Find Next button to find the next occurrence of the selected text within the document. Also note that if you need more specialized options for either the Find or Replace tabs, you can click the More button at the bottom of either tab to display more advanced search options at the bottom of the dialog box. You can check any of the options shown by the checkboxes in the Search Options section to enable or disable those parameters when performing your search. The last tab in the Find and Replace dialog box is the Go To tab. You could also access this tab by clicking the drop-down arrow that appears to the right of the Find button in the Editing group and then selecting the Go To command from the button's drop-down menu. You can then use this tab to quickly move through the document. In the Go To What list, you select the object by which you want to move through the document. You can then enter a search reference to the object to which you wish to move in the adjacent field. The specific directions for each selected object from the Go To What list are shown next to the text box to assist you. You can then click the Previous and Next buttons to browse through the document by the selected object using the increments that you have entered.